much. In today's Money Talk segment, we're talking about what's new this tax season. If you haven't filed it already, okay, we have Leanne Luna from the Boyd Center with us. Thank you so much for being here.
Thanks for having me.
Of course, old friend of the show here. So first, okay, tax season, it's here. Talk about, okay, are they still due on April 15th? Because there seems to be some confusion. And can anyone ask for an extension, of course, this time around?
So there's some good news. April 15th lands on a Saturday this year, and the following Monday is a holiday, Emancipation Day.
Okay.
So you have until Tuesday at midnight, April 18th, to get those taxes filed.
Okay.
If you're not ready, anyone can file for an extension by filing a simple form that extends your taxes till October 15th. But remember, this extends the filing of the return, not the payment of the tax.
A very important note there. And, you know, hey, we're already getting that extra 3 days kind of with it being moved to the 18th because of when it falls. So hopefully that's enough for people. If not, you have that extension. I've heard tax refunds can be a little bit smaller this year, you know, especially when compared to last year's with the pandemic and things like that. I guess, what can you tell us about that?
Well, so the stimulus payments from the IRS ended, so less cash in your pocket. But in terms of tax law, the first one that probably has some impact on people is the charitable contribution deduction. Generally, you have to do what's called itemize your taxes to get the deduction. But for 2020 and 2021, Congress wanted to incentivize donations to charities.
Right.
And you could just take the standard deduction and get an extra $300 or $600 if you're a couple. So we revert back to pre-pandemic laws, and now you have to itemize.
Of course, that was really to help keep charities afloat during the pandemic. That was really part A, and then there is another portion that could change things for people.
Yes, a big impact to a lot of people will be various credits were greatly expanded during the pandemic,
Right.
and they have also reverted to pre-pandemic levels.
Okay.
These include like the child tax credit, the dependent care credit, and the earned income tax credit. These could mean thousands of dollars of smaller refunds for individuals.
All right, now what else should taxpayers really be on the lookout for?
Well, so some people are probably are going to be surprised of some unanticipated investment gains.
Okay.
If mutual funds decide to sell holdings, and some of those could be sold at a profit, you have to pay taxes on those gains. And we had a really volatile stock market in 2022, and investment advisors said that those gains are probably higher than normal.
Okay, and then, hey, before we go to break, is there any good news with all this?
There is some good news. First of all, your standard deduction has increased, allowing you to offset more of your income.
Okay.
Tax rates have been adjusted for inflation, meaning you could be bumped down to a lower rate. And the amount you can contribute to an IRA has been expanded. $6,000 for individuals. If you're over age 50, it's $7,000.
Okay.
And you have until April 18th for that as well.
Leanne, thank you so much for walking us through this tax season. We appreciate it.
Thank you for having me.
Of course, guys, I've outlined this all on WATE.com. Stick with us. We're going to be back with a final look at weather.